Now, another question over here, it is how does Hegel challenges Kant's distinction of phenomena and noumena? You have to discuss. Now, Immanuel Kant, he has given his critical method of philosophy. What he said that there is metaphysical dualism. What is this phenomenal world? जिसमें हम रहते हैं, जिसमें हम स्पेस एंड टाइम को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, जो आपके अपीयरेंसेस हैं, द वर्ल्ड ऑफ अपीयरेंसेस, राइट? व्हाट इज दिस नॉमिना? टू दिस Kant says that this is unknown, unknowable. That means you can never know this. This is your empirical world, this is your transcendental world. Space and time exists here, space and time is ideal over here, it does not exist. Now this kind of metaphysical dualism Kant had brought. Now how Hegel challenges? Hegel comes up with his theory of absolute idealism. ठीक है, absolute idealism. He says that Kant, there is no such distinction. The reality, okay, which Kant says appearances and the reality. So Hegel says that the reality is existing here itself in this world, right? And this can be realized. This can be realized only through unity, right? When there is absolute spirit. What Hegel has been talking about, that there has been progression, okay? There has been progression of art, literature, philosophy, and society. The 19th century nationalistic concept, it came over here, right? So Hegel says that there is basically exposure of reality via the dialectics. What is happening, that there is thesis, okay, there is thesis, there is antithesis, and there is synthesis which is happening. और ये बार बार होता रहता है ultimately till the time we reach the absolute idealism. Is it clear? I think I must have drawn the diagram over here for you. See, there is thesis. What is thesis? मैं बोलूं A, that this is a cow. ये हो गया thesis. ठीक है. What is antithesis? अगर मैं बोलूं negation of A, this is not a cow, right? And then I synthesize it. So what Hegel is saying, that there is a being, ठीक है? There is non-being, and it is becoming, and then it is moving forward through this contradictory method. It is moving forward and reaching the absolute idea. That is why he gives this concept of real is rational and rational is real. What does Hegel mean by this concept? See, I've written over here. He says that the reality is not an unknowable thing. The reality is not the noumena which Kant has said. Instead, the reality is intelligible by the human minds. ठीक है? That lies in the rationality, which means that the thought and the thinking, they are the same thing. The knowing is the being. To know is to be. This is what Hegel is trying to say. And through this dialectic method and law of contradiction, with the thesis, antithesis, and the synthesis in this world, what happens, that ultimately there is a unification in the absolute spirit and absolute idealism is reached. Is it clear?